Hello and welcome to this new lecture, new video on leveraging connections for a dream job. In today's competitive job market, finding a perfect opportunity can be challenging, right? However, the key to unlocking door lies in strategic networking and leveraging those connections. And if you are wondering how to get a job fast and land your dream position, building meaningful connections is the answer. The power of networking cannot be overstated as it opens door to hidden job opportunities and valuable insights, right? Start by identify your desired job and the industry you are passionate about. Once you have a clear goal, focus on making genuine connections. Genuine is the word. Connections with the professionals in your chosen field. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, participate in networking events to expand your circle. See, the art of finding a job through networking involves just not meeting people, but cultivating relationship. That's right, you heard me right. It's about cultivating relationship. Engage in conversations, share your aspirations, and listen to others' experiences. By fostering authentic communication or and connections with your connections, you create a network that not only supports your job search but also provides you mentorship and guidance. Now, graduates normally face the challenges of finding a job after graduation, right? And this is where the connections become extremely valuable. Reach out to alumni, industry experts, professionals in your network who can offer advice or even job reference for that matter. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn to showcase your skills and connect with professionals in your field, in your desired field. To expedite your job search, tap into your existing connections, inform friends, families, and colleagues about your job goals, and ask if they have any insight or referral. Personal connections can often lead to unexpected opportunity, providing a fast track to your dream job. In the competitive landscape of job hunting these days, successful connection can be a game changer. Establishing a job connection in US, for example, requires persistence and active engagement. Now, leveraging online platforms, attending local events, and joining professional groups can enhance your network and help you discover job openings that may not be advertised anywhere. Remember, it is not just about the quantity, but the quality. And when it comes to connections, especially, cultivate meaningful relationship. Cultivating relationship is the key word. Meaningful relationship. Stay proactive in your networking efforts and showcase your skills and enthusiasm. In doing so, you will not only increase your chances of finding a job fast, but also position yourself for long term success in your dream career.